Our climate actions today will shape the future for generations to come. The need to accelerate action to address the threat of climate change is real and pressing. The manufacturing industry, being the largest contributor of Singapore's greenhouse gas emissions, is poised to lead the path towards achieving our net zero emissions target.
Today's theme of Towards Net Zero and Stewardship in Industrial Energy Efficiency will inspire us with insights, success stories, and relentless attempts, all good takeaways in our decarbonisation journeys.